Class 6, Lesson 1, Introduction to Computer. In this chapter, we will learn first topic, characteristics of computer. Computer is a very useful machine and it has many characteristics such as speed, accuracy, large memory, intelligence and versatility. Speed. Computer is a very fast machine. It can perform the complicated calculations in a few seconds that a human being does in many years. So computer works at very high speed and its speed is measured in MIPS, millions of instructions per second. Next is accuracy. A computer performs its tasks accurately. It never mistakes mistake while calculating. When the input data and a set of instructions are correct, the result produced is accurate. Means computer never make mistakes until unless it receives wrong input. Okay, if you input the wrong information, then only the result can be incorrect. Next is a large memory. Computer has a very large memory and it can store large amount of data and you can access whenever is required. Next characteristic is diligence, means computer never get tired. Continuously computer can work with the same speed. Next characteristic is versatility, means computer is unable to do different types of jobs simultaneously. Like while you are solving a sum, at that same time you can play music also. Limitations of computers means what are the things that computer are not able to do. Computer have no intelligence because computer is a machine. It works according to the instruction given by the यूज़र. तो कंप्यूटर वही काम करता है जो यूज़र उसको इंस्ट्रक्शंस देता है. अकॉर्डिंगली कंप्यूटर वर्क. सो कंप्यूटर हैव नो इंटेलिजेंस इट्स ओन. ओके, एंड कंप्यूटर डोंट टेक डिसीजन, not able to take its decision. Everything or every work or every task is done by the command. Second is no feeling. Computer does not have any emotional feeling like human beings have. Okay, so computer is a machine, so computer cannot understand the feelings or emotions or like taste. So this is the limitation of computer. Next we are going to learn about the generation of computers. Generation means age groups. Okay, computer had a different types of generation, mainly 5 generation. First generation time period is given 1940 to 1956 and in this generation vacuum tube is used and the features are given here: very heavy and large in size, very expensive, slow in speed, generate a lot of heat, limited commercial use as they were difficult to program, and some of the examples are ENIAC, EDVAC and UNIVAC. You have to understand this thing that first generation means large size computer. Okay, technology is poor, memory capacity is less, speed is less. Okay, and they produce lot of heat and they are very heavy and bulky. But later on, as the computer generation change, like second, third and fourth, computers improve their capacity, storage capacity. Computer की storage capacity improve हुई, similarly storage power, speed improve हुई, and they become portable, they become cheaper. So you have to study this full table, types of generation, their time period, what are the technologies used in this generation, what are the features and their examples. This full table is very very important. Study properly. Second generation time period is given 1956 to 64 and in this time period transistors are used and they are faster than the first. Similarly third one is faster than the second, fourth one is the faster than third generation computer. You have to study the examples and their features. And fifth generation is present and beyond, means जो अभी है और जो आगे हम in future generation की यहाँ पे बात हो रही है. In this generation we use artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence means that computer is able to think like a human. Computer can behave like a human. Computer can understand the requirement, what are the needs according to the environment. Means computer can analyze and then do the task. So computer behave like human, think like human. So such technology is called artificial intelligence. For example, robots. So see, the main conclusion of all the generation is given here, that each new generation resulted in the following changes. Means हर generation में क्या change आता है? Decrease in size and cost. Your computer size और उसकी cost क्या हो जाएगी? Decrease हो जाएगी. And increase क्या हो जाएगी? इसकी speed, reliability and storage capacity. If you compare first with the second, then second will be much better because of their speed is improved and their reliability is improved, storage capacity is improved and their size is also decreased. तो वो portable हो जाएंगे. तो you can carry, जैसे आज के computers are latest micro computer, laptop, इनको आप carry भी कर सकते हैं. But first generation computers जो होते थे, they are very heavy, very bulky, you can't carry. Okay. So you can't move from one place to other. Next, do you know terms? You please study this. These terms are also very important, like which type of who invented the microprocessor and what are the devices used in, what is the use of transistors, and where other than the computer where we can use a transistor, like TV, radio, mobile phone and washing machine. These devices are also used in this type of machines. And microprocessor, who invented? It was first invented by the Intel Corporation in the 1970s. And AI already I explained you that AI is a artificial intelligence, means computer can able to think like a human being. Okay. कुछ IT updates दिए हैं, इनको आप रीड कर लेंगे एक बार. Like Nexi is a next generation robot. It's able to show the various human-like facial expressions, such as slanting its eyebrows in anger or raise them in a surprise while communicating with the people. Milo is a 2-foot tall humanoid robot that interacts using the children's voice and facial expression with children suffering from the autism, who tends to avoid eye contacts and are uncomfortable interacting with the humans.